Welcome everyone back to Mr. Weather Updates, and today's video we're going to have a look at the radar to see if any precipitation has been falling over today. And we can see here we had a bit of rain and a little bit of hail snow as well that has been falling in on Wales. But otherwise most areas has been quite clear and around average temperatures, if not a little bit below average in some areas, with highs up to 6 and 4 degrees. Now, looking at the weather warnings, excuse me, we have three weather warnings I've been looking at. All these are for wind. We've got one wind warning for Scotland and northwest England. So a period of strong winds is likely to lead to some transport disruption. We have some delays to rail. Ferry transport are likely. We also have some coastal routes may be affected by small or large waves. Bus and train services affected. Short-term loss of power, delays for high-sided vehicles on exposed routes, small chance of isolated or short-term loss of power. We could see gusts in this area to reach 50 to 60 mile per hour, maybe even 70 mile per hour winds. And this warning has a medium likelihood but a low impact. We have another wind weather warning. This time it's only for North Highlands of Scotland. Again, same thing really, strong winds with the same, obviously, injuries. Obviously, power cuts may occur, some delays to public transport, but these winds are a little bit higher but this time. Very strong, very strong, oh god, westerly winds are expected to develop over the course of Saturday and in association with the deep area of low pressure. We could see gusts of 65 to 75 mile per hour winds. There's a small chance of 80 mile per hour winds. So dangerous coastal conditions can be expected too, with large rains and additional hazard, especially with respect to the causeways. So obviously a busy travel all up to Christmas. So obviously increased likelihood of impacts. Some people do go on these areas, especially Sky for Christmas holidays really. Now, so it does seem quite serious if it is going to get to 80 mile per hour winds. However, if this would have been an amber warning if it was in more of a populated area. So if it was in England, it would be an amber warning, but it's a yellow because not many people live around these areas. And this warning has a low likelihood but a medium impact. It could even get into an amber warning, so we'll have to see what happens there. Again, Shetland, Highland instructed. There's an extended wind warning for most areas of England, Western England, Scotland, Northern Ireland. So, prolonged period of strong winds will lead to some travel disruption. Delays to rail, ferry transport likely. Coastal services, seafronts and coastal communities may be affected. Some train and bus services taking longer. Short-term loss of power and delays for high-sided vehicles. We could see gusts to 50 to 60 mile per hour winds. We might even see some exposed 70 mile per hour winds possible. We could even see some hail and thunder in some areas as well. So some squally showers. So not the best day on Sunday. So medium likelihood and a low impact. And impacting a long area. So it's been quite nice actually today. We had some hill snow areas as well. A clear night to come for the first half. Otherwise, on to Friday, we're seeing some thick cloud with some more showers possible. Heavy showers in Scotland maybe. Maybe a clear night at a time for Saturday, coming into Saturday. Now on to Saturday, you can see here we've got some heavy showers in Wales, but a few showers coming into England as well. Saturday, a little bit changeable. Few areas might be seeing clear spells, otherwise some areas will be showery with some further hill snow in Scotland, but we have seen that hill snow maybe trying to get into England. This could be hail actually, because like it said, thunder is possible in this day, so it could be quite active on Sunday. Monday's not too bad actually. We've got a few clear spells, but there's some showers moving into Scotland. Seems to be continuing into Christmas Eve with a further thick cloud and a little bit more outbreaks of rain. Looking at Thursday, you can see here 5-6 degrees as well. So you can see here on to Friday. There's some mild air coming in soon, obviously for Christmas, but otherwise 7, 8 degrees as well. And Saturday, we can have a short period of mild weather. Got 12 or 11 degrees in the southeast. Otherwise, average temperatures in the in the north. Sorry. However, turning back to below average on Sunday, we could see 3 degrees as well. Could be quite unsettled in this one. We might see some snow showers. Around average actually on Monday, 7, 8 degrees, 6. But there's mild air pushing in time for Christmas. Now, I'm just looking on for skipping on for Christmas then, we can see here, for Christmas there is an air of high pressure developing with the airs of that warm air. Now, obviously it is taking a while, it is trying to develop into there, but as it does get into Christmas Day, we can see here, we could see some further spells of quite nice weather actually into this area. So it could be mild, but it could still be quite nice on obviously Christmas Day, but not quite on Christmas Eve, I guess. Now, if we do want to go on to, obviously, January does look quite changeable as the first glance. If I have a look at the temperature gradient, we can see as soon as we get into January, it's starting out a little bit mild, maybe some above average temperatures possible, but I could see some colder interludes into obviously January, so it does look quite changeable. We first could see a mild air, but then cold, but then mild again. So it could change a lot. So I'm going to say it's going to be looking changeable, at least for glimpses of January, as we looked into that January. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.